I strip the beds and wash bedding and towels separately. The mattress protector gets washed every time. Then I put a fitted sheet on the bed and use the roller to get any fuzz or hair that didn't come off during the wash cycle. We ask the guests if they are allergic to any scents and whether they want me to spray the sheets with lavender essential oil for better sleep. Our new guest wanted lavender. She was happy and surprised we offer that. Each pillow gets to pillowcases. Both pillowcases get washed each time. It prevents pillows getting odors. After the bed is done and the nightstands are wiped, I wipe the lamps, vacuum, and mop the floors. Extra blanket gets washed each time as well. Always vacuum and mop the floors underneath the bed. It accumulates a lot of dust. Don't forget to check each drawer in the nightstand and wipe them inside and outside with multi-purpose spray and finish with orange glow spray.